What's up, guys? It's day 11 out at the flip house. I have my plumber out here, Nick Marsala. He owns EC Plumbing, and he's got this sweet van named Kevin. What's the deal with the van? You can, if somebody finds it, do they get something, or?
Yeah, we do giveaways from time to time where you can find Kevin. If you follow us at EC Plumbing on Instagram or Facebook, you can check us out there. We do giveaways, and if you spot Kevin, depends on what we're giving away. You could win money, you could win a game. It just depends on what we're doing, and that's what we like to do, find Kevin.
Sweet, so go find Kevin. We're gonna go do a walkthrough of my flip house, and he's gonna show you everything that we're doing over here as far as plumbing goes, and yeah. All right, so what do we have going down in here?
So we're going to kind of just update everything. You get about 25 years of life out of your plumbing systems is kind of what the national standard is. And this home's been repaired several times and spliced into, and we're just going to kind of clean it all up. We're going to start here and demo all this up and then tie into it and start basically from new. This is actually an old lead flange toilet. You don't see those anymore. It's pure lead, but we're going to cut all this stuff out and tie the vent and everything else upstairs back into the original vent. We're going to get rid of this. This was obviously broken and repaired several times and then redone. We're going to chop all this out, clean it all up, and we're going to bring everything to code. We're going to add a shower. We're relocating Jake's shower, and we're going to move it over a little bit, so we'll get rid of the bathtub stuff. And then this whole house was plumbed on half-inch old galvanized lines. You can tell some of them have been leaking and re-glued and all that stuff. And here, we can probably just pull that out right now. Yep, see? Oh, we got some water, broke it. And that's how fragile this stuff is when you get that old. Just a little bit of pressure, you know, can ruin your day, flood your house out, and you don't even try. So really need to start paying attention to your plumbing systems. But we're gonna pretty much demo everything out, start over fresh, clean everything up, and give him a nice new updated home that he can live in, and he'll be as far as plumbing problems, be worry free for the next 20 to 30 years. So that's it. Cut me here, somewhere over there. Yeah, touch me, turn me on, and cut me down. Yes. Well, let me see that real quick. Sawzall here. Okay, that's free.
What about all this shit that's ground into this? Is that gonna pose an electrical hazard?
They'll have to reground. They'll have to put a grounder out here.
Okay.
That shows you how brittle that stuff is now. It's all, it's just snapping.
Falls apart.